Yes, hello my good people. So kilichokuwa na mwanzo hakikosi kuwa na mwisho. So we came here to Magadi to finalize this homestead, and finally we have achieved our main goal, and now we are about to leave. The system is up and running. So far so good. The battery is 100% fully charged. Each bar represents 25%. So 25, 25, 25, 25, that's 100%. And how much are we getting from the solar panels so far? It's 6, and we're getting around around 300 watts. So 300 watts is enough to run some appliances like TV and some few lights before we begin consuming from the batteries. So the system is up and running. Here it is. This is a 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter, a 10 kilowatt hybrid lithium battery. So guys, if you are in darkness, wherever you are, give us a call on 0713 015 890, and we'll be able to deliver such a system to your doorstep, and you'll be connected to the grid. So ensure your power. So don't be in darkness. Especially this month of love, ensure you are able to power your loved ones. So guys, thank you, and we appreciate. So we're up and ready to leave to Nairobi. So mambo ndio hiyo, that's it. So this system is already running. Come I show you, it's running this fridge. You see this fridge, the fridge is on and running. Unaona hata they are charging the phone at the same time. It's running these fans. Hata sijui nani amezima, so I can put them on. You see that, and there we have power. Here it's very hot, so this will be taking care of the house. Yes, and also the washing machine is running. Come I show you. So the washing machine is here and it's running. So umeona tumeunda structure mzuri kabisa. Washing machine ndio hiyo hapo ndani, it's running. Yeah, ni kama wametoa nguo. So give us a call on 0713 015 890 if you need such a system to power your washing machine, indoor lights, security lights, TV and all that. Guys, we are ready to serve you. Thank you. May God bless you. Like and follow, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys.